Hi there, my name's Lauren. In this video, you'll learn how to create and issue a new visitor pass within your ButterflyMX mobile app. First, open up the ButterflyMX mobile app on your smartphone. Then, select Visitor Pass. Next, choose your type of visitor pass. You can create a pass with a custom duration, recurring access, business hours, full day use, or a one-time pass. You'll then need to name the pass. I'll name ours Dog Walker. If your visitor needs a custom duration or recurring access, you'll select the days of the week and times of day that you want your pass to be active. In this example, your dog walker comes on Tuesdays and Thursdays between 2:20 p.m. and 3:20 p.m., so I'll choose those options. Next, you'll have to determine when the visitor pass should expire. Let's say you only need your dog walker for the month of February. In that case, you'll set it to expire on the 28th. Now, all there's left to do is to create the pass and share it. Just select Create Visitor Pass and Share Pass Now to send the visitor pass to your guests. You can send the visitor pass via email or phone number, and the pass will show up on your guest's phone as a QR code. When your dog walker arrives at the ButterflyMX intercom, they'll select Visitor Pass on the intercom and use their mobile device to open the visitor pass link they received, which will open a QR code. Next, they'll line up the QR code with the box on the screen, and when it's lined up correctly, they'll hear the ButterflyMX chime and receive a notification that the door is open. ButterflyMX will take a time and date stamped photo of the person using the visitor pass, which will be stored for your review in the mobile app for 365 days, so you can verify whether your dog was walked that day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.